In the shadow where the light didn't dare to play, I stumble through the night, lost in endless fray. My heart heavy, tears like raindrops falling, but inside the spark of fire began to call. Rise up, my soul, break free from the chains of pain. Find the strength within, let your spirit regain. Through the storm from night, I'll stand tall and strong. Rise up, my heart, let the darkness be gone. In every step I felt the weight lift, a new dawn breaking a brand new life. The echoes of my past now just memories. Rise up my spirit and let the light seep in. In the silence I heard my own voice ring. Voices of the brave, they whisper, keep singing. Each day a battle, but I fought with grace. Rising higher, climbing, reaching for the chase. Rise up, my soul, break free from the chains of fear. Find the strength within, let your courage appear. Through the storm, through the night, I'll stand tall and strong. Rise up, my heart, let the darkness be gone.